Welcome back to Q High Protein Vegan Meals. Today we will make scrambled tofu with stir-fried vegetables. This meal has around 46 grams of protein on just 475 calories for a big portion and is therefore very good for weight loss. This scrambled tofu is also really tasty on toast or with hash browns if you want to go a bit higher in calories. One breakfast portion for me would be 200 grams or 14 ounces of firm tofu. To spice that, I use 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1.5 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, and some white pepper. Then we also need 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. For vegetables, you can use pretty much any you like. This time I use some bell peppers, a red onion, edamame beans, and mushrooms, but zucchini, broccoli, cabbage, or carrots are also really good options. To flavor the stir fry, I like to use about half a chili, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, the juice of half a lime, and some Sriracha and a couple of tablespoons of soy sauce. You don't have to use all of them, just use what you got at hand. If you don't use the lime, then replace it with some other kind of acid, like some vinegar. The procedure now is very simple. Just slice up all your chosen vegetables in thin strips. I like to grate the ginger, but you can of course just chop it up finely. For the tofu, use some paper towels and press it gently to get some of the moisture out. All you need to do for the scrambled tofu is to crumble it in your hands and then add the seasoning. You want the tofu to be really finely crumbled so it easily takes up all the flavors. So rub it between your hands or between your fingers and your palm and make sure no large pieces comes along. Let that fry for a few minutes before adding all the spices. Mix well and add some water to get the creamier consistency and to easier mix all the spices. Use the back of the spoon to mash the tofu a bit and add more water if you want it creamier. If you add too much water, then simply let it fry for a few more minutes until it has a firmer consistency again. That is all for the tofu. Now to the stir fry, that is also very straightforward. Fry your chosen vegetables on a medium to high heat in some oil, tossing and stirring often. When the vegetables has some color and has a good texture, then add the garlic and the ginger together with the soy sauce and the lime juice. Give that 2 to 4 more minutes and taste if it needs more acidity or soy sauce. If you are using edamame beans, then just add them in the end. That's it, just plate up and enjoy. This dish is also very good as a meal prep if you want to make a bigger batch and just reheat. If you like this video, then please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more high protein recipes.